Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Shakti, aka Anya, where we explore together holistic ways on how to heal and transform trauma, as well as deeply connect somatically, connect to the higher consciousness to discover what's like on the other side of trauma, where you can really connect to your true self and blossom and have a life you are worthy of. Today, I'm going to share with you the topics about women who are going through menopause. I'll be using specific Kundalini Yoga asanas that help you balance emotional and mental and menopause symptoms. Let's grab our mat, make yourself comfortable, and let's dive into holistic way of embodying and helping yourself to balance emotional and mental distresses as well as symptoms of menopause. Every woman goes through menopause differently. I noticed that practicing those sequences I will share with you truly helped me. When I am able to connect and listen deeply to the wisdom within, I know exactly what my body is needing, what might be missing from nutritional part, from hormonal imbalances. My intention and hope for you is that you find this simple, powerful movements helpful. You will experience a release while you are maybe going through difficult mental and emotional imbalances as well as through menopause symptoms. Let's tune in. Please come into comfortable meditative pose. I like easy pose, hands in Gaya Mudra, sit a little bit taller. Eyes are focused between your brows, third eye. And let's inhale together to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo Om Namo Gurudev Namo Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Please inhale, suspend the breath and apply gentle root lock. Exhale, release, and flip your eyes open. Please always listen to the body, knowing that you can pause and return, or just imagine yourself doing the certain posture I will be sharing. Let's grab our yoga mats and let's dive into powerful postures from Kundalini Yoga for emotional, mental, and menopausal balance. Please come to standing position. Feet are pressed firmly to the ground. They are wrists wide apart. Let's bring the arms by your side. Let's take a few slow breaths together, relaxing the shoulders. Now interlace both thumbs up, hook them up. Inhale, rise up straight, and exhale, bend backwards. Inhale, Lean forward, fingers to the ground. Inhale backwards and exhale, lean forward. This is a movement, keeping your arms as straight as possible. Now you can always bend the knees, finding your rhythm. Let's keep flowing for a few breaths. And inhale, stretch up. Exhale, lean forward. Spread the legs and your feet hip width apart. If it's possible, bring the hands underneath your feet. If not, just allow them to hang. And we're gonna add breath of fire. Keep your legs straight. And let's continue. Inhale, exhale, and slowly roll yourself up. Please come sit in an easy pose. Extend the arms parallel to the ground and begin big circles backwards, keeping the spine straight, keeping the arms as straight as possible. Reverse direction. Lower the hands. And next pose is very simple pose where balances all the hormones inside. Lay down on your belly. Legs and feet are together. Chin on the ground. Arms are by the side. Palms up. Feel your whole body press against the ground. Long, deep breaths. Make sure the chin is touching the ground. Inhale, exhale, bring the palms next to your chest. Inhale into Cobra. Exhale, lower down. Let's come into tabletop. Align your wrists with your shoulders. Align the knees with your hips. Crawl your toes down. Inhale, raise your buttocks. Triangle pose. We're gonna be here for a few breaths. Please inhale Exhale, bend the knees, come to the tabletop. Point the toes and crisscrossing your ankles, keeping the spine straight, head is aligned with the spine, pulling the navel towards the spine. Keep flowing. Relax. Come sit in easy pose. I hope you experience relief. You can choose any of those postures to incorporate into your daily routine when you notice emotional and mental imbalances as well as menopausal symptoms. Thank you for joining and practicing with me today. Wishing you a fantastic moment. Subscribe, please comment. Watch out for new content. Till next time, stay present, stay grounded, and stay connected to your true wisdom within. Sat Nam.